when billionaires get obsessed with showing off. They start spending money like crazy, and not just on yachts or mansions. We're talking about some of the weirdest and most pointless things you can imagine, from gold dog collars to billion-dollar iPhones. They'll throw millions just to grab attention. So today, we're showing you 7 insane things billionaires wasted millions on, all just to flex. Let's dive in. Number 7, they say money can make people lose their minds. And today, you're about to see exactly how true that is. Sure, a lot of people love their pets, but billionaires? They go way beyond normal. One of them actually bought a dog collar worth $3.2 million. Yep, a dog collar. It was made by a company called I Love Dogs Diamonds, and it took 12 weeks to make. Why so long? Well, it had 1,600 diamonds embedded into it. No joke, this collar was shown off at the Hong Kong Dog Show, worn by a dog named Tiara, who was actually for sale at a price tag of $4.5 million. So, yeah, if you ever wondered how far billionaires will go for their pets, now you know. Number 6, in 2013, an Indian textile tycoon named Data Fuge suddenly made headlines around the world. Why? Because he had a shirt made entirely out of 22-karat gold. Yes, a gold shirt. It took nearly 4 kilograms of solid gold to create. And when the entire shirt is made of gold, you can't exactly use plastic buttons, right? So Fuge went all out. He had the buttons made with 7 Swarovski crystals. To top it all off, he even had a matching gold belt custom made to go with the shirt. And the total cost? A jaw-dropping $250,000 that same year. Data Fuge was awarded a Guinness World Record for owning the most expensive shirt in the world. But sadly, this fame came with a dark twist. In 2016, a group of armed robbers broke into his home. They stole a massive amount of gold, and tragically, Data Fuge was killed during the robbery. Sometimes fame really does come at a deadly price. Number 5, most of us hesitate to drop even $1,000 on a new phone. But what if I told you there's a phone out there that costs $15 billion? Yep, billion with a B. It's actually an iPhone 5, but completely redesigned and rebuilt from scratch using solid gold. The transformation process took 9 weeks to complete, and this isn't just gold-plated. The phone's home button was replaced with a flawless, deep-cut black diamond weighing 24 carats along the sides. You'll find 600 white diamonds embedded into the frame, and to make this blinged out iPhone even more insane, it includes 135 grams of 24-karat gold. Plus, the Apple logo is made entirely of gold and flawless diamonds. Function-wise, it works. Just like a regular iPhone 5, but when you're a billionaire, spending billions just to flex isn't that surprising anymore. Number 4, meet the Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime 6300, the most expensive wristwatch ever sold. This one-of-a-kind timepiece set a world record in 2019 when it sold for a jaw-dropping $31 million. And here's the crazy part. It was sold at auction in just under 5 minutes. Only one single piece of this watch exists in the entire world, so whoever bought it was either a serious collector or just a billionaire with money to burn. This sale broke the previous record held by Paul Newman's Rolex Daytona, which sold back in 2017 for $17.8 million, but the Grandmaster Chime, it didn't just break that record, it shattered it. Number 3, we've all heard about Mike Tyson's solid gold bathtub, or the gold toilet seats found in the palaces of Middle Eastern royals, but that's old news, because the new trend is building an entire bathroom made of gold. And the wildest example of this can be found in a house located in stately Julep, England. Step into the bathroom and you might just pass out from shock. This luxury bathroom features 2 solid gold bathtubs, and literally everything in there, from the sinks to the walls, is made of real gold. The value of this entire property, a whopping $3.7 million. And that's not the only place where you'll find gold overload. Check out the Burj Al Arab Hotel in Dubai. Inside its deluxe suite is yet another bathroom made entirely of gold. Want to experience it for yourself? Just to Be ready to drop over $2,500 for a one-night stay, and yes, that includes a dip in a solid gold tub, because when it comes to showing off wealth, billionaires don't hold back, even in the bathroom. Number 2, most of us spend just a few bucks on a haircut, either at a local barber or maybe a decent salon. But for the Sultan of Brunei, getting a haircut is a whole different story. His personal hairstylist is flown in from London every single time he needs a trim. And the cost? $24,000 for just one haircut. Yep, you heard that right. 24 grand every month, just to keep the Sultan's hair in shape. The Sultan covers everything: the stylist's airfare, luxury accommodations, meals, and personal expenses, all paid for just so he can do one man's hair. And the craziest part? The haircut itself looks so basic. You'd never guess it cost as much as a brand new car. But hey, when you're royalty, even your split ends get the royal treatment. Number 1, Mukesh Ambani is not only one of the richest men in India, he's also ranked among the top 15 wealthiest people on the planet. While millions around the world struggle to survive, Mukesh Ambani lives a life of pure luxury. He resides in a 27-story skyscraper home called Antilia, right in the heart of Mumbai. But it's not just home to him and his family. Over 600 full-time staff members also live there, all dedicated to managing and maintaining the mansion 24/7. This private residence has everything you can imagine, from multiple swimming pools to a full-size sports complex, and get this, the entire 6 floors are reserved just for his car collection. On the rooftop, there are 6 helipads, yes, 6, and as if that wasn't enough, Antilia even has its own private healthcare unit inside the building. The total value of this insane home, roughly $2 billion US, making it the second most expensive private residence in the world, just after Buckingham Palace. And if we're talking about over-the-top spending, here's the kicker. When his son got married, the price of one single wedding invitation card was $535 United States dollars. Each, that's over $1,800 per card. Now imagine what the entire wedding must have cost when it comes to spending big. Mukesh Ambani sets a whole new standard. So yeah, when you're a billionaire, even your crazy is on another level. Some of these things were mind-blowing, and honestly, kind of pointless too, but hey, that's what happens when money isn't a problem. Let me know in the comments. Which billionaire flex shocked you the most? Or what would you waste your money on if you were a billionaire? And if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss more insane facts like these. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.